Okay, for 817, they want us to factor these polynomials, right? So the first one, A, right, we're looking for factors of negative 12 that when added give negative 4, right? So let's try 1 and negative 12. No, that would give me negative 11. And 2 and negative 6, that would give me, when added, would give me negative 4. So that one works, right? Because multiplied is negative 12, added is negative 4. So we get x plus 2 and x minus 6, right? There's the 2, there's the minus 6. Okay, so there's factored form. For B, right, we have 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So we have to take the 4x squared column, right, and the 1 column, right? The 1 is clearly 1 and 1, right? The 4x squared now could either be 4x and x, or 2x and 2x. So now the outers plus the inners have to match to find out which one. So by that I mean the outers, the 4x and the 1, that's 4x. And the inners, right, let's do the inners, the x and the 1, it's plus x, right, which is 5x. And we're looking for a 4x in the middle, right, because the middle term is 4x. So let's try the next one. We have the 2x and the 1, that's 2x. And then the inners, 2x and 1, that's 2x. And there's our 4x. So now we know that it's this pair and this pair. So we write those in order, right? 2x and 2x, and then plus 1, plus 1. You could leave it like that, or you could write it as 2x plus 1 squared. Either way is fine. One way or the other, not both. Okay, and C, let's make some space. C, right, we have a 2x squared column, and we have a negative 5 column, right? And the goal is to get a negative 9. So we have 2x. This is 2x and x, or x and 2x, right? Because order matters. And then negative 5, we have 1 and negative 5, and we have negative 1 and positive 5. So now we need to compare. So I'm going to do the outer. That gives me negative 10x. And then the inners, right, the inners, x and 1, that's plus x. So that's negative 9x, negative 9x. And we got lucky. We got it on the first shot, right? So we were looking for negative 9x, and we got it. So the two pairs, then, are these two pairs, right, written in that exact order. So we get 2x and x, and then 1 and negative 5. And there's C in factored form. Okay, and the last one, let's make space, D, we have 3x squared column, which is 1 and 3x, or 3x and 1, right? And then we have the negative 8 column, which is 1 and negative 8, negative 1, positive 8, 2, negative 4, and negative 2, 4, right? All those combinations. So we're looking for positive 10, positive 10. So I'm going to start at the bottom this time, right? So I'm going to go 1, the outers, and negative 4. That's negative 4. Oh, this is an x, negative, or 1x, right? Negative 4x. And then the inners, right, would be 3x and 2, which is 6x. That's not going to work because that gives me 2x. Okay, so let's try again. we'll do the 1x and 4, so that's 4x, and then we will do the 3x and negative 2, that's negative 6x. That gives us negative 2x, so that doesn't work. Let's try the next one. We take the 3x and the negative 4, right? So actually, didn't want to really do that. Sorry, there's no, is there an undo? No, there's no undo. Okay, so let's start this again. So we have 3x squared, and I honestly forget the order we did this in. 1 and 3x, 1x, and 3x, and 1x. And then we had negative 8, and we did 1, negative 8, negative 1, 8, then 2, negative 4, and negative 2, 4. Okay, so I believe we were going in this order. So now we were at 3x and negative 4, which is negative 12x, and then 1x and 2, the inners, which is plus 2x. That's negative 10x. Getting close, we need positive 10x. So now we do the last one, 3x and negative 2. It's negative 6x. Or sorry, 3x. My mistake. Let's erase this properly. So negative 2. This is 2, right? Okay. So 3x, the outers, and 4 is 12x. And then the inners, right? Outers and inners, 1x and negative 2. That's negative 2x, which gives us the 10x. So we found that the pair is this one and this one. So we write in order. We have a 3x and a 1x, or x. And we have a negative 2 and positive 4. And we finished.